I'm so excited to spend a week in Greece with 16 new friends. I have a feeling this is going to be really fun.
Hi, my name is Kalymnos.
Fabio,
Katya,
Allison,
Sasha, and I'm from India.
Connecticut,
Vancouver.
New Zealand,
San Diego.
The best part of the trip has been
getting to climb with Sasha.
I'm being out here in Kalymnos.
Seeing the amazing scenery and climbing things I never thought I'd be able to climb.
I think the energy is contagious and it's pushed me to try things that I wouldn't have otherwise.
A guided tour of an island paradise.
Deep water soloing and swimming with wild dolphins.
Awesome people and
Getting real-time feedback on my climbing and some really helpful hints to how to improve.
When it's harder, it's better to move fast because then you get through the harder movements quicker, wasting less energy. Right foot up.
Don't think about it.
I want to say special thanks to True Nature Travels, the 3 guides that were involved in this trip, and to everyone who I got to know so well. I look forward to our next one.
Thank you so much, Sasha, and True Nature Travels.